I'm Dava with Coldwell Banker Valley Brokers in Corvallis, Oregon. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate in the Mid-Willamette Valley for over 20 years. Here's some information you might find useful. Hi, I'm wanting to talk about something that's real and scary and doesn't seem like it should be out there, but it is, and that is wire fraud. If you are a buyer and you're getting ready to close your transaction, you want to make sure that you are actually sending your money to the right entity. There are hackers out there. This is a real thing. There are lots of people who have been impacted and they have lost tons of money. When it comes time to settle your transaction, you need to bring money in for your down payment and closing costs. You can normally bring that in the form of a check if it's conveniently located for you to do so, or you could even overnight mail a cashier's check. It just needs to hit the title company in enough advance to be usable and considered good funds. If you absolutely must wire funds to close, you want to make sure that you confirm your wire instructions with the title company directly. You want to use a reliable phone number. You want to get that from them directly off their website, not in an email that says send your money here. You need to pay attention how the wire instructions are sent to you. They should be secure and encrypted. Buyers should call and independently verify who they call to confirm the instructions, and you should be aware that wire instructions rarely change. So if you get a set of instructions and then somebody sends you a set that says, wait, we sent you the wrong number, don't believe them. So there are news stories like crazy. All you have to do is Google it to see what kind of implications this has had to people's real lives, and it's really sad. And the bad guys are not normally in the United States, so they're very difficult to track down and prosecute. So I'm just telling you, like your title officer or escrow officer would tell you, be very careful about who you wire your funds to.